There has also been an incident involving mistreatment of a Muslim woman by the Chief Minister of the Indian state of Bihar, and it was followed sadly by public mocking of the incident by a minister in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The forcible removal of Muslim women's hijab by a senior political leader and subsequent public ridicule of this act are deeply disturbing and warrant strong condemnation. The action risks normalizing the humiliation of Muslim women in India. The conduct also demonstrates public disrespect of India's religious minorities, particularly its Muslim citizens. Such conduct reflects a broader and troubling pattern associated with Hindutva-inspired politics, namely the alarming rise of religious intolerance and Islamophobia. We urge all responsible stakeholders and the Indian government to recognize the seriousness of this incident and to reaffirm their commitment to the protection and minority rights, respect for religious freedom, and the preservation of human dignity.